Let's go to IndiaMart. Mr. Dinesh Agarwal, founder and CEO, is now joining us. Look at that stock price, almost 9% higher in trade. Mr. Agarwal, the street clearly loves your numbers. This quarter, of course, whatever you posted, but the street would be interested in know what lies ahead. Talk to us about the outlook on coming quarters on your operating metrics. How are they likely to improve from here on?
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, let me give you some updates on the last quarters or last year. Last year, our collection and revenue have grown up about 20%. However, if you see in the last 2 quarters, the collections have been a little subdued due to the customer addition numbers. Now, the customer addition numbers that I had told you last time, they had come down to the lowest of 1800 per quarter. This particular quarter, we have been able to recover very little to 2700 customer addition, and that is why, because of the 3-4 quarters of continuous lower customer addition, it has started to result into a lower collection growth also, which is reflecting into the lower revenue from operation. Having said that, the operating outlook for the next year looks better because one, we have been able to get some handle on the margin. Our margins for the fourth quarter used to be 26-27%. We have been able to do on a standalone basis a margin of closer to 30% this particular quarter. And the management team is confident that we should be able to maintain a margin of 30% here on the standalone basis. On the customer addition front, I cannot give you any guidance for the next quarter or so, but I am pretty confident that in the next 2 or 3 quarters, we should be able to get back to our normal growth rate of 5,000 customer addition per quarter per month, per quarter net addition. Once that happens, then our collection and revenue will also start to improve. So for the entire year, we are looking for a recovery from the lows of the last 2 quarters after in the H2 of the FY25.
Okay, this is very interesting. The 2 big takeaways. One, in next 2 quarters, you believe that the company's top line growth, the customer acquisition growth rate will go back to 5,000 odd a quarter, that run rate. And 2, you expect margin levels to be 30%. That will be the new normal, the expanded from here on. Is that the right way to look at it, sir?
Yes, sir. Okay. So that is what we are targeting. Let's see what all we can deliver or what all we can do.
Back to your previous numbers. And the other point is growth strategies. Beyond these 2, what exactly is the growth strategy? Be it tier 3, tier 4 cities? Is it you've also made some strategic investments in acquisition side. Talk to us about that part, the growth strategy.
So on the IndiaMart side, I think we continue to believe that our network effect will keep getting stronger and stronger with better penetration in every category and better penetration in every geography. On the category side, we do a lot of work to solve for the category-based nuances so that we can become a small vertical in every category, being a horizontal at a top level. On the geography side, our most of the focus would remain on the tier 1 and tier 2 cities, not really focusing on the tier 3, tier 4 as of now. On the inorganic side, you know, we have acquired Busy Infotech for 500 crore in the year FY22, and it is the 2 full years of acquisition. I'm very happy that the acquisition has gone very smoothly, and we have been able to absorb the Busy Infotech team and expand from there on. They are continuing to grow well without making any substantial investments. So they are independently growing, and now we are planning to integrate some of our sales lead generation processes so that we can help busy in growing further thereon. Our other investments are also growing nicely, whether it is Vyapar or whether it is Fleetex or whether it is M1 Exchange. So some of the bigger investments have done better. Some of the smaller ones are still trying to find their product market fit and growth. So we have been happier so far with our inorganic growth strategies so far.
Right. All right, Mr. Agarwal, thanks so much for joining us. So that's good news for our shareholders if they are listening, that now the repair work has started big time. It's showing in the numbers, and the momentum is likely to continue even from here on. With that, we'll wrap out of this.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.